I haven't seen everybody in so long. It's kind of interesting. I feel like every time I leave for a little bit and I come back, I have a different color in my hair. So, hello, this is Teacher Casey here. Sorry I haven't been here in a little bit, but I'll get into that here in just a minute. Just giving you a minute to log on. Today is going to be more of a kind of a show and tell because I want to show you this awesome thing that I found. So, all right, hello, welcome. Say hello in the chat. Where are you tuning in from? If you have questions, put them here. If I don't have an answer for you, I will try to find one. Let's get started. So again, hello everyone and welcome. I'm Teacher Casey. Sorry, I have been MIA for a little bit, but I am back and I am excited to be here. I had stepped away for a bit to do some personal and professional development. I've been reading some awesome books. You see some behind me. I made a website. I made an Etsy store. So it's been crazy. It's been awesome. And most importantly, I have been just visiting family every chance I get. So in building this Etsy shop, I have found your secret weapon, PLR. So have you heard or used of PLR products? I just learned about this and I've been having fun using these templates to make great products, mostly for teachers, but I have things like planners, life planners, day planners, lesson plans, affirmation cards, I am cards, like all of these fun things. And I've learned it through your secret weapon, through PLR. So today I'm going to discuss what PLR is, that's private label rights, and secret weapon. So I want to show you what it means for content creators. So what is PLR? PLR is a type of license for content. It allows the buyer of the license to reuse, repurpose, and modify the content in any way they like. For example, if you buy a PLR license for an ebook, you can modify the content to fit your needs and then use it on your own website, blog, or other online platforms. You can even resell the content or use it as a giveaway. So PLR can be used to create webinars, podcasts, or other types of audiovisual content as well. In short, PLR is a great way for content creators to save time, create high quality content quickly and easily. So now you're probably asking, what is your secret weapon, PLR? So this is secret weapon. Let's see if I can share my screen with you because I kind of want you to be able to see what it is. All right, it's gonna come up as us here first. Okay, ta-da! Can you see it? Okay, so this is my login. Yes, you see my email there. If you need anything, let me know. And the great thing is I can scroll down, learn how to sell certain things, make journals. What's new? They're constantly adding things in here. So like Valentine's promo in a box, you can make these, right? You can make these different things, how to sell them, different planners. I'm not going to get into all of it because I mean, there's just not time. Affirmation cards are always fun. Those are, self-worth, self-love. So basically you can take these, use the wording on them or use the pictures, a little mix of both, add your own. You can make them so they're printable. You can make it so they're just digital downloads. There's seller resources on here. Become an affiliate. That's what I did because I just loved it. There are done for you email sequences to sell your items. I just am in awe of all the different things that's on here. Of course, understanding your license and what you can do, things like that. But I really like that it's learn how to sell. I did the digital product profits challenge. I learned a lot. Let's see, different templates, coupons, how fun. Conversation starters for adults, all just schedule cleaning templates, even mealtime planning templates, newspaper planning templates. So super fun. All right, let me stop sharing and go back so I can see all of you and finish telling you all about it. Okay, so PLR, we already talked about what it is. The secret weapon PLR, it's a collection of pre-written high quality content that can be used to build and grow your online business. So what are you selling, or maybe you are a coach and just want to make your own resources to use. So you use your own branding and everything. You don't sell these to them, but you give them out as maybe challenges or visuals for them to learn. So let's see. It includes articles, reports, ebooks, graphics, all the hot demand, in-demand topics in the market. So why is it so powerful? Sorry, my seat keeps going down. Let's see if you guys can still see me. You can still see me? Okay, I'm gonna fix that. All right, so why is this tool so valuable? All right, because it saves you time and money by giving you access to high quality content that you can use to engage and build your audience. With the PLR license, you can edit the content, add your own branding, and use it in any way you see fit. So, for example, those in the fitness field, if you made your own planner, you could do your own colors, whatever your branding is, your own pictures and things, but they have the template to show and to use. All right, so I've already mentioned high quality pre-written content, which is part of my favorite because coming up with all the words sometimes is very difficult for me. There's a variety of content formats on there. You have unlimited editing and branding possibilities. So that's about it. In conclusion, the Secret Weapon PLR is a valuable tool for anyone looking to build and grow their online business. It's like having a personal assistant to help you create content. So why wait? Get your hands on the Secret Weapon PLR today. Take your business to the next level. If you want to see some items I made, maybe I should put some down below. I have made items, but I have not started selling them, so it's not trying to sell you anything. But thanks for watching me and coming to join me today. If you want more info, I will put the link below this comment. And if you get a chance, please go to my YouTube channel. It's Teacher Casey. Like and subscribe, not describe. Subscribe for more content. And I will be in this group. I like coming in here on Tuesdays. So give a shout out. Let me know when you're here. Say hello and be kind to each other, ladies. And I will see you all next time. Just trying to get this link. Here we go. Let's copy this link for you. And I'm just gonna drop it right into our Facebook. There you go. That is an affiliate link. So, but if you have questions, email me. It's casey.oswald@gmail.com. All right, everyone. I'll see you all next time. Hopefully I'm not paused. Nope. All right. See you all. Bye. Have an awesome day.